What's up, everybody? I'm going to take you through all of the deals that I think are a good deal today here on Amazon. So let's go ahead and look at Amazon deals for today. So the deal that we're looking at right now that I think is really good for a bunch of college students, especially since everybody's going back to college right now, is this right here. What is this? This thing right here just looks so cool to me. Like, let's look at this. Okay. So if you're a college student and you're going back to your dorm or you're going to your apartment or wherever you're going to, you've got a new house, whatever it is, if you want to have all-in-one in one location to cook all of your food, this right here looks like the best deal. Like, I wish I had this when I was in college. Like, you can toast your bread right here. That means you can toast garlic bread. You can toast regular wheat or white bread in the morning whenever you're cooking, with what looks like a really cool grill up here when you're cooking your eggs, when you're cooking sausage, bacon, whatever it is. And not only that, you could possibly even poach or do some sort of like steaming. So if you have broccoli or green beans, you could do that here on the top here. Also, make your coffee. That's crazy. So let's see. It looks like it has a grill. It looks like it becomes an oven. And like, I mean, you can make coffee and grill all types of food. That's crazy to me. Like, for $57, like, why not? This right here, this Nostalgia B Set 300 Retro 3-in-1 family size breakfast station, amazing. You should get this. This is for all students coming back to college. Go after it. Like, get this thing. This is crazy. Okay, so the next deal that it looks like we have available today here on Amazon is coming up next, actually, for college students, and it's this portable mini blender. Like, if you are on the go and you don't have time to cook with what that last deal was, then you could just go ahead and make yourself a smoothie. Like, smoothies are packed full of nutrition. It's a mini smoothie. Let's see. Let's look at some of the pictures here. You have an 8-ounce cup. You have, let's see. I mean, it's automatically turned off whenever it's jammed. Like, come on now. This looks amazing here. So, let's see. We have... Let's look at this. Let's look at this a little bit further in depth. We have a blend whip grind, 126 watt motor. Let's see, can operate up to 15 blends in one full charge. The smart power on button works when the cup is attached for safety reasons. It's safe, handy, and portable. So this deal right here, this looks like a really good deal. Let's listen to what they're saying for about 10 seconds about this featured grill session here.
Do it anyway.
You should do it.
Yeah. What else we got going over here? Oh, we have the iUGO mini blender. Did I say that right? No one will ever know. If you're more of a breakfast on the go person, this mini blender. Where's the mini blender?
It's here.
There we go. We've got the mini blender right there. I'm pausing this right now. I don't know why I'm pausing.
Oh, there it is.
But I'm just going to mute this. So we've got that. Some other deals for college students look to be this wireless charger right here. I would go with this wireless charger. Wireless chargers are great. You can just put them right next to your desk. You can put them right next to your bed. So let's see, what is this deal looking like here? This is the Anker wireless charger. Pretty much everybody nowadays has like an iPhone 8 or above now. I think, I don't know, don't quote me on this, but the iPhone 7 may have a glass back, which means more than likely you can wirelessly charge that iPhone. But I know that all the other iPhones can definitely do that. So if it has a glass back, then you can do that. I don't know about Android very much, but I do know for iPhone you can charge wirelessly if it has a glass back. I would say to get this because this is going to make charging way easier. You can just, like I said, put it next to your bed, do whatever you want without having to plug it into a phone charger and have it all the way across the room. So I would say that's my other deal of the day. go ahead and get this wireless charger. That's what I've seen, and that looks really cool to me. The fourth deal, I think this is the fourth deal here for the day, is under today's deals whenever you click this, and this is all the way at the very left is the first deal here for today, which is September 17th, 2019. And I think this is awesome. Everybody should have a pressure cooker in their life. This is only $54, this pressure cooker. It looks like it's 6 quarts. You can slow cook yogurt, make rice, steam eggs, make all types of food. You can make chicken, you can make soups, you can make beans, you can saute things, you can steam, you can make ribs. There's nothing you really can't do with the pressure cooker. I would say go with this pressure cooker, this Luby pressure cooker. This deal here is $54.02. You're going to save way more than $52 by using a pressure cooker every day. You stop going out to eat as much. You can spend $54 on one plate at a restaurant, let alone if you're making meals for multiple people or buying meals for multiple people. So I'd say that's my fourth deal of the day. Definitely go on there and get that. And then the fifth deal of the day, let's go ahead and look at some other deals here. Let's go ahead and look for a really good deal, really cool deal. I'm big into electronics, and let's just look for a deal here. So let's see. We've got some things here. I don't really know what they are. We've got some clothes. We've got an Apple Watch here. Apple Watch band, sorry. Let's see, some other cool deals. I really like going to the college deals. So if we go to college essentials here, we can do that. Actually, we already did that. So let's look at school gear here. Let's look at some cool school gear. Deals on school essentials. So essentials for school. Let's look at these. So we have some pretty cool things here. We have a USB cable here. We have some, it looks like some earphones here. We have iPad cases here. I'm looking for a deal that stands out to me. None of these really stand out right now. I mean, these are all really cool. It looks like we have some devices, some headsets, some electronics. I'm looking for a really cool deal that sticks out. I'm looking at a bunch of things, but you know what? I actually think the coolest thing that has stuck out to me so far on these back to school deals here, this one here, was here on page 1, and I think that it is this speaker. I know that this probably doesn't have much to do with school, but I have actually seen these Aomis speakers. One of my friends has one of these, and these are actually really loud. If you want to have a group of people together, have a backyard party or something like that, get one of these. Get a couple of these. These things are really loud. They're water resistant. Water resistant doesn't mean waterproof, but they are water resistant. 30 hours of playtime once you charge it all the way up. It's portable. Take it anywhere. But yeah, these are really cool school supply essentials, it looks like. This one's not the biggest school supply essential, but that looks like a really cool deal to me because I've seen those things before and they seem to be really cool. So those are my 5 deals for today here on Amazon. Amazon's deals for today, September 17th, 2019. If you want to go to the deals for today, just go to today's deals here. Click that and you can start checking those out. And you can go to Amazon devices, school gear, college essentials, all these other things for the deals on Amazon today. So check those out, look at those, and get yourself a deal. I know you're going to be shopping on Amazon, so you might as well go ahead and look at the deals that are happening today. And while you're at it, use the links that I've provided here in this video. Go ahead and buy whatever you want to buy by clicking those links and going to Amazon and coming here. You can come directly to the products that I've mentioned by clicking those links below. And that's really all there is to it. Amazon is going to be offering these deals every single day, and I'm going to start doing these videos every single day to show you the deals that I think are the most valuable for you, for me, for everybody watching these videos. So might as well go ahead and use the links in the description to go ahead and buy these products. And go ahead and support your boy, because if you click those links in the description, then I get a small commission for you buying that product or, another product on Amazon. So go ahead and support your boy. This is Kalen Washington signing off for September 17th, 2019. Who knows? I may be back later this afternoon or this evening to talk more about deals that are happening later on today. But that's it for me this morning. It's 11:42 a.m. out here on the West Coast, and it is September 17th, 2019. Go ahead and get your deals today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later. Thanks.